I was in the Uranometria 2000 book again, and this book is a lot of fun. To me, I guess. You can see all those stars in there, and you can just, yeah, there's a little key in the bottom where you look at that and figure out where everything is. I was looking at it, and I noticed, I was reading in the front, it said it was cataloging around 440,000 stars. And I thought, well, I know what stellar evolution is, it's planet formation, they're the same thing. But how many exoplanets would probably need to be found before establishment really comes to and realizes that stellar evolution is planet formation itself? And my reasoning, went ahead and wrote it down. I said, how many exoplanets will we have to find before it is realized an exoplanet is just an evolved star? And in September of 2011, we were sitting around 400 exoplanets. That's about when I made the discovery, but it wasn't based on how many exoplanets we had found. It was based on that one diagram I showed you in the stellar evolution page on Wikipedia. But I figured you increase that by a factor of, or just multiply it by 10, so you have 400 on September 11th, or September 2011, and then you add 5 years, and that's where we're at right there, August, about 3,500. And then August of 2021, you add 5 more years, that's sitting around 35,000. And then 350,000 in August of 2026. And then, well, I messed that up, 3.5 million by August of 2031. And I wrote at the bottom here, reversing instead of stars outnumbering planets, it has to be planets found outnumbering stars. So the classical 1 star for the sun, and then 9 classical planets, you know, Mercury all the way to Pluto, it has to reverse. So literally, since Uranometria up to magnitude 9.5 have 440,000 plus stars in them, I figured you'd have to find at least 3.5 million exoplanets before they realize what's going on here, for it to be pretty obvious. I mean, it would be inescapably obvious by August 2031, so around 15 years from now. And what that also means is that it's going to be at least 9 exoplanets per star versus 1 star per 9 exoplanets, and I think that's a good estimate for when they realize what's going on. So literally about 20 years after I made the discovery, it will come to light, and they have the James Webb Space Telescope going up, and hopefully they realize that planets don't form in disks, which is, 18th century dogma. It doesn't work. Today is August 12th, 2016.